Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can block ads on your own Amazon Fire Stick device step by step. Before we start the video, I'm sure you have some questions as if there is a way to block ads on Fire Stick. Well, of course you can block any advertisement on Fire Stick free of cost. There are some third-party apps are available out there that are helpful or used for this. So if you stick with me for just a little while longer, and I'm going to show you how you can block ads on your own Amazon Fire Stick device step by step. Let's begin. So first thing that we need to do is change couple settings right on our Amazon Fire Stick device, and easiest way to change settings, just hold remote home button for a few seconds, and here you will find four options. So hover to settings and press remote select button. Once you enter the settings, slide down and hover to My Fire TV. Slide down and open developer options. And here you will find two options. So scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on. And here as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through downloader app, we installed Adblocker on our Fire Stick. So just hover to search icon, slide down and type downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and downloader app start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch this app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. So guys, this is the home screen of downloader app that has only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. This keyboard appear on your screen. So here type app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button and it will connect into server. After that, app downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. When app downloaded, this section appear on your screen. So hover to install button and press remote select button for installing this app. So here as you can see, Adblocker app has been installed. Now click on done button and delete backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete, and again after deleting backup file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps, and guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide down and hold to app. Once you highlight Adblocker app, press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen, so slide down and click on move to front. And here as you can see, this app is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press remote select button to launch, and here scroll down and highlight activate button and press remote select button for activating Adblocker. And guys, here as you can see, Adblocker app has been activated. Now you can watch your favorite movies and TV shows on Fire Stick without any ad. So you can use this method to block ads on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.